Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make some mini half cakes. They are very soft and very delicious. Please do try this recipe and watch this video to the end. For this mini half cakes recipe, you're going to need 1 egg. After that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar if you want. After that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then you're going to mix all the ingredients well so that they can be well combined. After that, you're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of milk powder, but that's optional. Then you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you're going to mix all to form a dough. After giving it a good mix, this is how the dough should be. There's no need of kneading the dough, just mix it. This is one recipe that doesn't require water or milk to form a dough. It's only oil and the eggs. So you're going to roll the dough out so that you can cut it into different shapes of your half cakes. After cutting them into a preferred shape, you're going to let them rest for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to fry them on a medium heat until they turn nicely golden brown. And just like that, you'll have your mini half cakes ready, and you're going to serve this with a cup of tea or coffee. As you can see from this video, they look so delicious and soft. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their mini half cakes at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.